Hello dear students, in last lecture exercise 2.3 question number 5 is completed. Now next in question number 6. Two interviewers gave the following scores to the candidate on the basis of their performance in the interview. Find the rank correlation coefficient. Highlight words. Rank correlation coefficient. The evaluation of two interviewers. Okay. Two interviewers give the rank is given for the candidate. Okay. A to H. Total 8 candidate is given. Here variable value of X and Y. Rank is not mentioned. So first of all write first column candidate. Second column, marks by first interviewer is considered by variable X. Next column, rank of X, marks by second interviewer is considered variable Y. Next column, rank of Y. Next, difference is find out rank of X minus rank of Y. And last column, D square. So in first column, candidate write down name A to H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Done. First, marks by first interviewer is consider variable X right now 28, 44, 10, 28, next 47, next 35, next 19, and last 40, 40. Okay. Marks by second interview is considered by variable Y. 32, next 45, next 25, next 32, next 41, next 32, next 24, and last is 38. Okay. So first of all, rank your two variable X means first interview. So check it. Highest value for the variable X is 47. Give the first rank. Now next decreasing order value check it. 44. Give the second rank. Next 40, give the third rank. Next 35, give the fourth rank. Next 28. So your value variable 28 repeated 2 times. So rank is 5 and 6. 5 and 6. So average find out. 5 plus 6 divided by 2. 11 by 2, 5.5. So both places value of variable 28. Give the rank is 5.5. 5.5. Next 19. Continuing 5, 6. Next succeeding order 7 and 10. Give the 8. Clear? Rank of x. Next rank of y. So highest value of variable y, check it. 45 is the first rank. Next 41 is the second rank. Next 38 is the third rank. Next 32, 1, 2 and 3 times repeated observation. So rank is 4, 5 and 6. 4 plus 5 plus 6. Average is find out. So average is 5. So each and every observation 32 give the rank of 5. 5, 5, 5. Done. 4, 5 and 6. Next continue. Rank 7, 25 and 24. The last rank 8. We completed rank of 1. Next difference is find out rank of x minus rank of y. Rx minus r. 5.5 minus 5. 0.5. 2 minus 1. 1. 8 minus 7. 1. 5.5 minus 5. 0.5. 1 minus 2 minus 1. 4 minus 5 minus 1. 7 minus 8 minus 1. 3 minus 3 0. Sigma d is always 0. Check it. 0.5 plus 1 1.5 plus 1 2.5 plus 0.5 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 3. So plus 3 minus 3 answers. And last column d square. 0.5 into 0.5. 0.25. Next 1 square 1 square 1. 0.5 square 0.25 minus 1 square 1 and last 0 square 0. So total sigma d square is equal to 1 2 3 4 5. 0.25 is 0.5. So 5.5 sigma d square column total 5.5. Next observation is repeated for variable x and y. So CF correction factor table. Repeated observation. Okay. Second m observation repeated number of times. And last formula m cube minus m divided by 12. So repeated observation check it in variable x 28. Repeated for 2 times. Repeated observation 28 number of times 2 cube minus 2 by 12 using calci 2 cube 8 minus 2 6 by 12 0.5. Next value variable y 32 repeated 3 times. Repeated observation is 32. How many times? 3 times repeated. Putting value in formula 3 cube minus 3 by 12 3 cube 27 minus 3 24 divided by 12, answer is 2. So CF correction factor total is 2.5. Okay. Now next, write the formula for rank correlation coefficient. R is equal to 1 minus 6 in bracket sigma d square plus CF divided by n in bracket n square minus 1. 1 minus 6 in bracket. Okay. Check it. Sigma d square value. First table, last column value is 5.5. Plus CF, second column, correction factor column total is 2.5. Divide by n. Total 8 candidate is given. 8 in bracket 8 square minus 1. So 1 minus 6 in bracket. 5.5 plus 2.5. 8 divided by 8 in bracket. 8 square 64 minus 1. Next step, 1 minus 6 into 8. 48 divided by 8 in bracket 63. Difference. Now next step, 1 minus 48 divided by, using calculation, 8 into 63. 504. Now next, 48 divided by 504. 0.0952. 1 minus 0.0952. Answer is 0.9048. Approximately your answer is 0.90. So rank correlation coefficient marks given by first interviewer and second is 0.90. You completed question number 6. Next, in question number 7. 10 contestants are ranked in a beauty contest by 2 judges, and the sum of square of differences in the rank is found to be 240. Underline 10 contestants. So n number of observations 10. In sum of square of differences. Sum of square of differences means sigma d square 240. Find the rank correlation coefficient. Okay, so first of all write down n, number of observation is 10, and sigma d square is given 240. So using simple formula for rank correlation coefficient, R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1. Okay. Next step, 1 minus 6 in bracket sigma d square 240 divided by n is 10 in bracket n square minus 1. Next step, 1 minus using calcium 6 into 240 1 2 8 4 divided by 10 in bracket 10 square 100 minus 1. Next, 1 minus 1284 divided by 10 in bracket 99 difference 100 minus 1. Next, 1 minus 1284 divided by 990 10 into 99. Next, 1 minus 1284 divided by 990 1.2970. So answer is minus 0.2970. R is equal to approximate answer minus 0.3030. Okay, so we have completed question number 8. And last, for the question number 8, exercise 2.3. The coefficient of rank correlation of the marks obtained by 10 students in two particular subjects was found to be 0.5. Underline 10 students. Your value of n is given 10. And correlation coefficient R is 0.5. 0.5. Later on, it was found that one of the differences of the ranks of student was 7, but it was taken as 3. So correct value is 7. Correct difference is okay. Underline differences of rank is D. Correct D is 7, but it was taken as 3. Wrong D is 3. Correct D 7. Incorrect means wrong D is 3. Find the corrected value of the correlation coefficient. Okay, correct value of correlation coefficient. Here n and r is given. So using simple formula and find the sum of square of differences means sigma d square find out first. So write down formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 into sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1. Next, putting value of R is 0.5. 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n is 10 in bracket n square minus 1. So negative step, we say transfer to positive, 0.5 positive, right side transfer to negative. Now next step, 6 sigma d square divided by 10 in bracket 10 square. 100 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 0.5. Interchange. Next, 6 sigma d square divided by 10 in bracket 99. 100 minus 1, so 99 is equal to 1 minus 0.5. 0.5. Next, 6 sigma d square divided by 10 into 99. 990 is equal to 0.5. Okay. Value opposite, so numerator denominator and denominator numerator inverse. Sigma d square is equal to 0.5 into 990 divided by 6. Therefore, sigma d square is equal to, check it, 0.5 into 990 divided by 6. Sigma d square is 82.5. Okay. Sum of square of differences in sigma d square find out. Now next, corrected rank correlation coefficient. So first of all find the correct sigma d square. Next, correct sigma d square is equal to sigma d square minus difference is of rank, means wrong d and correct d is given. So minus wrong d whole square plus correct d whole square add. So sigma d square is 82.5 minus wrong d whole square, wrong d value is 3 square plus correct d value is 7 square. Next step, 82.5 minus 3 square is 9 plus 7 square 49. So correct sigma d square difference find out. 82.5 minus 9 plus 49. Answer is 122.5. Check it. Correct sigma d square is 122.5. Now next find. For the given question, find the corrected value of correlation coefficient. Correct rank correlation coefficient find out. Correct rank correlation coefficient. Okay, so find correct rank correlation coefficient. Number of observation is 10. One observation add, one observation less. So 10 plus 1, 11 minus 1. So correct n as it is. One observation add, one observation less. N is not changed as it is 10. So write the formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1. Next step, 1 minus 6 into, here sigma d square is correct. So correct sigma d square 122.5. 6 in bracket 122.5. N in bracket n square minus 1 value is n in bracket n square minus 1. 990 already using. So direct putting value 990. 1 minus using calculating 6 into 122.5. 735 divided by 990. Next step, 1 minus using calculating 735 divided by 990. 0.7424. 1 minus 0.7424. Answer is 0.2576. Approximate your answer final 0.26. So corrected value of rank correlation coefficient is 0.26. You have completed question number 8 and also completed exercise 2.3. critical point. Precaution in interpretation of correlation coefficient. Okay. So in first point, in last fifth line, underline. Generally, it happens when R is calculated without prior knowledge about cause and effect relationship between the variables. Okay. Generally, it happens when R calculated without prior knowledge cause and effect relationship between the variables. Okay. For example, the two series of data relating to the number of persons died in road accident. First variable, number of persons died in road accident, is our first variable. In a city, and the price of toyota, underline price of toyota, during the same period may exhibit high correlation. Okay, maybe high correlation, but there cannot be meaningful relationship between them. But a meaningful relation is not possible. Okay, number of person die in road accident and price of weather, not a meaning, not any cause and effect relation. Okay, two variable between relation is not possible. Person die in road accident and weather price is increasing, not a related, not any relation between two variables. Therefore, this kind of correlation is known as a nonsense or spurious correlation. It is called nonsense or spurious correlation. Highlight words, last line. Okay, there is a type of correlation between them. So nonsense and spurious correlation between two variables. MCQ short question here. Okay, important for board exams. Now, in third point. Okay, second is already discussed about the minus, plus and zero, perfect positive, perfect negative, and lack of correlation, means absence of correlation, already discussed it. But third, sometimes some value length is the negative also possible in minus plus value is given, and find the rank correlation coefficient between two variables. Here what value is given using question extra sum. Suppose value variable x is given -4, -3, -2, -1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Last write down total. Next, second column rank of x, third column variable y is given 16, 9, 4, 1, 1, 4, 9, 16. Total value. So this type of question is given in your board examination. Some value is positive, some value is negative. So rank, next column, rank of x. So highest value, check it, in value of variable x is 4. Give the first rank. Next, decreasing order 3, second rank 2, third rank 1, give the 4. Next, fifth rank -4, -3, -2, -3. So in graph paper do it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. -1, -2, -3, -4. So highest value is 5. Next 4, 3, 2, 1. Next 0. Then after highest value is negative value, decrease is the highest value, -1, -2, -3, -1. So -1 is a high value compared to -2, -3, -4. So next rank 5 is the -1, -2 is the 6th rank, -3 7, and -4 is the 8th. Next, rank of y, highest value here 16, repeated 2 times. So first and second rank, average find out first and second rank. So first rank plus second rank, 1 plus 2 by 2. So both places give the rank 1.5. 1.5. Okay. Next, 19 also repeated 2 times. 1 and 2, 2 rank already used. Now succeeding order 3 and 4. The average find out. 3 plus 4 divided by 2. Both places give the rank 3.5. 3.5. Next 4 already repeated 2 times. So rank is 5 and 6. Average is find out. 5 plus 6 divided by 2. Both places give the rank 5.5. 5.5. 1 is also repeated 2 times. Give the rank 7 and 8. Average is find out 7.5. 7.5. Done. Now next, difference is find out. Rx minus Ry. Okay, same procedure. Difference rank of x minus rank of y. 8 minus 1.5. 6.5. 7 minus 3.5. 3.5. 6 minus 5.5. 0.5. 5 minus 7.5. Minus 2.5. 4 minus 7.5. Minus 3.5. 3 minus 5.5. Minus 2.5. 2 minus 3.5. Minus 1.5. 1 minus 1.5. Minus 0.5. Sigma D is always 0. Check it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10.5. 2.5, 2.5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10.5. Plus minus 0. And last column, D square. So using LCM, 6.5 into 6.5, 42.25. Next, 3.5 into 3.5, 12.25. Next, 0.5 into 0.5, 0.25. Minus 2.5 into minus 2.5, 6.25. Minus 3.5 into minus 3.5, 12.25. Minus 2.5 into minus 2.5, 6.25. Minus 1.5 into minus 1.5, 2.25. Last, minus 0.5 into minus 0.5, 0.25. Sigma D square find out. 42.25 plus 12.25 plus 0.25 plus 6.25 plus 12.25 plus 6.25 plus 2.25 plus 0.25. Sigma D square is 18. Next, value of variable y observation is repeated. So table rate, repeated observation, of times, and n cube minus m by 12. Okay, repeated observation, check it. 16 repeated 2 times. 9 is also repeated 2 times. 4 repeated 2 times. And observation 1 is also repeated 2 times. All value putting in formula, so 2 cube minus 2 by 12, answer is 0.5. So each and every place answer is 2.5. Is observation repeated for 2 times. 2 cube minus 2 by 12. So CF correction factor is 2. Done. Now write the formula. R is equal to 1 minus 6 sigma d square divided by n in bracket n square minus 1. Sorry, 6 in bracket sigma d square plus CF correction factor formula is. So 1 minus 6 in bracket sigma d square 82 plus CF is 2. And number of observations, the total number of observation is 8. 8 in bracket 8 square minus 1. 1 minus 6 in bracket 82 plus 2. 84 divided by 8 in bracket 8 square. 64 minus 1. 1 minus 6 into 84. 504. 8 in bracket 63. Next, 1 minus 504 divided by 8 into 63. 504. 1 minus 1. R is 0. So rank correlation coefficient between two variables is 0. Why? So here given where R is equal to 0, we can merely say that there is a no linear correlation, means absence of correlation between two variables, not a proper pattern but a group is considered. Okay. Next, fourth point we also discuss about for the minus 1 plus 1 and 0. Next, illustration number 26. Then at your board exam on negative value or sum of it, mistake not happen. Next we continue illustration number 26. Determine the value of the correlation coefficient from the following result. Okay, correlation coefficient, find out. Your value is given covariance xy is to variance of x is equal to 3:5 and sx is to sy is equal to 1:2. Okay. So main formula for rank correlation coefficient is R is equal to 1 minus, calculation method, covariance xy divided by standard deviation of x into standard deviation of y. This is our main formula for calculation. Here value covariance xy is to variance of x is equal to 3:2. Our sx is denominator, so it formula. So now next step, covariance xy is to variance of x is equal to 3:5. Next, covariance xy divided by variance of x. Okay, denominator so is right hand side same place value is divided 3/5. But in our formula denominator only for sx and here variance of x. Okay. Now next, another value is given. Sx is to sy. What is to? Means suppose sx in multiplication. So sx is got. Means now next step in formula covariance xy divided by variance of x into sx by sy. So sx cut variance of x means standard deviation of x into standard deviation of x. One time is cut. Already our previous formula is done. Covariance xy divided by sx into sy. Okay, multiplication numerator multiplication denominator. So your variance of x means sx into sx. So one time sx cut both sides. So next step covariance xy divided by sx into sy. Our formula is proved there. So now in here sx is to sy. So sx is numerator and sy is denominator in our formula. Sx by sy find out. So now next step sx divided by sy is equal to 1 by 2. Done. Now next putting both the values in formula. So covariance xy divided by variance of x is 3 by 5 into sx by sy is 1 by 2. So 3 ones are 3 and 5 is 10. So r is equal to 0.3. We have completed illustration number 26.